Damages are awarded in a personal injury lawsuit to make the plaintiff whole again. The defendant is responsible for paying damages awarded to the plaintiff. Such damages may include the following. Compensatory damages are awarded to a patient to put them in the position they would have been in had the injury not occurred. General damages are intended to compensate a plaintiff for pain and suffering. Such damages consist of the following. A Taxotere side effect injury can result in a patient's inability to work. Damages for lost wages include money already lost in addition to future lost wages. Lost wages also include the plaintiff's loss of earning capacity. Compensation may be awarded to patients who suffer severe pain and suffering arising from their Taxotere injury. Pain and suffering must be linked to the injury. It must not be contrived or imaginary. Taxotere injury awards usually include the costs of medical care associated with the injury. Benefits awarded to Taxotere plaintiffs include compensation for treatment already received and for the estimated costs of future medical care resulting from the injury. Compensatory damages usually cover the costs of hospital bills, medical treatment, prescription medication, and other healthcare treatments. Punitive damages are awarded to punish a defendant's willful or malicious misconduct. Such damages are awarded to deter the defendant from pursuing the same actions which damaged the plaintiffs. On June 17, 2016, Louisiana resident Carol Webb filed a Taxotere lawsuit against the drug manufacturer. The plaintiff alleged Taxotere caused her hair to fall out. She also claims she was never warned of the risk of suffering from permanent hair loss after taking Taxotere, and had she known, she would have taken another drug. As a result of her injuries, the plaintiff is seeking compensation for past and future medical expenses, the loss of income, permanent disfigurement, and the loss of enjoyment of life. Webb's complaint has requested that the court set aside the statute of limitations, which could potentially bar her claim for recovery. Court records indicate that 33 Taxotere permanent hair loss cases have been filed in 16 federal courts across the U.S. In July of 2016, plaintiffs' lawyers requested a multi-district litigation for lawsuits alleging that Taxotere caused permanent hair loss in women. Lawyers for two plaintiffs asked the U.S. Judicial Panel on Multi-District Litigation to consolidate the 33 lawsuits in 16 federal courts to the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Louisiana. Plaintiffs assert that the centralization of the cases will allow the parties to coordinate document discovery and a single set of depositions of key witnesses. Please contact our law office for more information on how to file a lawsuit against Sanofi-Aventis for your permanent hair loss injury after taking Taxotere. We can help you obtain compensation for your injury. Do not delay in contacting a Taxotere injury lawyer. Doing so could result in you being barred from obtaining compensation for your injury. Call now at 800-844-0246 to arrange your free Taxotere lawsuit consultation today.